da Rüçibe Satı Gichedo Yana Mavi Shungla Moge Kebe Ligu Dina Yamchunange Biripida Samaloda Tanashi Kedela Nam Jindene Yapjonange Chiyewa Samololia Tomanye Zashin Seve Samji Trash Teleshow the Chapchi Tiringi Zerim Mundu Shugi Tiringi Zerim Tambude Birimima Sozo Chone Ligu Motor Sunshe Nangui.
Good evening everybody. On 1st of October we have gathering this demonstration, Global Day of Action. I welcome everybody here. Thank you for coming. And our first program is speech by Mr. Samdanoku, President Tibetan community in Switzerland and Liechtenstein. Thank you.
Hello. Second. Hello. The Tomate Tande, the man of the soul, the Kibi Laguna, Newson of the Tochana Shui. Today, the Mojus, Kagana Station, the number of the Sanju Yolanda, the Zona Senge, Samekingo, Jebati, the must be Comjona do Tada Yadovagi. The legend of Somoto Chedante, Courage the pay, Sameki Kovasharona, Injimiji Kare Shorona, Kare Maja Vena stay, Rubetim the Gate War, Chezan, and Jaman must stay Charena to community, Chezan, Kare Injimiji Shorona, Sui. But the was a Kajina, Chilachu Savachik, Kajina, and Jana Mabu Shola, Mohit, Sujiki there, Kiakam, Damanda, Chejani. 통계 교주하 나라 대 개별의 위다 되는 대결에 데이터 서비스에 맞대 시스템 리리스트 페리미마게 티티 레그디 도스 스터디 시와지레 근데 제가 마스터리아 컴퓨터 페이지에 개미 쇼잡 되게 개별 나에다 이게 이 소셜 나에다 되게요래 근데마 야디 페리오니 안트리아디 통계 나야 도스니 개별 나에다 되게 나에래 제단디 모두가 도대체 경계의 인지나 tradition 테마직 자로슈기 Respected Mr. Chamba Samdola, Member of Tibetan Parliament in Exile, Respected Mr. Wangpo Tedongla, Member of Tibetan Parliament in Exile, Respected Mr. Tony Reeve, Board Member of Swiss Tibetan Friendship Association, Respected Madam Vicky Santa Maria, President of Tibetan Women's Association in Switzerland, respected representative of Tibetan Youth Association in Europe, our brothers and sisters from East Turkestan, Southern Mongolia, Hong Kong, and my dear fellow countrymen and countrywomen. As China celebrates today the 71st founding anniversary of the Communist Party of China, this day is a doomsday for Tibet and other occupied territories of China. On this global day of action in over 60 cities worldwide, we Tibetans join our brothers and sisters from East Turkestan, Southern Mongolia, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and other occupied territories to protest the Chinese Communist Party. We also join our Indian brothers and sisters in their boycotting of Chinese goods and apps, and we strongly protest the provocative military maneuvers by China on the Indian borders. We resist the CCP because there is no human rights and freedom in Tibet, East Turkestan, Southern Mongolia, Hong Kong, and other occupied territories. We resist the CCP because it misuses its one China policy. We resist the CCP because it has caused COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic. We resist the CCP because over 500,000 Tibetans are being subjected to cohesive labor trainings with enforced indoctrination, intrusive surveillance, military-style enforcement and harsh punishment. We resist the CCP because it is a threat to the world peace and stability. Resist China, freedom now in Tibet and in the world. Last but not the least, may His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama live long, and may his teachings of non-violence and compassion bless this world. 근데 남아서 개별이 대마시로 난디 포로도 남아서 양디 대가 수직 자리님도 쉬는데 시기시 나로나 the resist China's Communist Party. World leaders reject one China policy. Freedom for Tibet. 남아서 freedom for Tibet 소로나. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Resist. Resist. World leaders. World leaders. World leaders. Freedom for Tibet. Freedom for Tibet. Freedom for Tibet. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. Tibet is burning. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Long live. Long live. Long live. Freedom for Tibet. Freedom for Tibet. Freedom for Tibet. 도대체 베르마서 좀 들으셨어요. 안 제림니버디 미만남 루티키 자나 흉섭 초소 오게 끔베다 제벌 공주는 유이 안다다 공주는 왜까왜야네 카리디니 와도 쳐러나 쉬었다 안다다 계단 남녀 속에 계단이 동부치 남배로나 쉬이 그시.
Thank you, Sultan Nurullah, for your speech. Before we leave for the Chinese consulate, we will walk towards Chinese consulate with slogans. Before we commence from here, I would like to say that today's demonstration is organized by Tibetan community in Switzerland and Liechtenstein, supported by Swiss Tibet Friendship Association, Tibetan Women's Association in Switzerland, and Tibetan Youth Association in Europe. So let's walk and let's raise our voice and let's shout our slogans very strongly. Thank you so much.
두째나 안 제리 못은 줘이 제림 숨바 대 개갑 챔베 게로 비주다 게지 보온남 지체도 막지 양의 까마칙 나온주이.
Now we'll begin our program here in front of Chinese Embassy. Our third program is singing of national anthem and a minute of silence for our martyrs who has laid their lives for the cause of Tibet. Chik Ni Sum Si Shi Ben De De Go Chu We De Du Pe Sang De Mo Ne Ma Ba Ye De No Zi Ya Che Kyo We De Ji Ye Zo Ye Do Che Kang So De De Jo De Chang Se Yong Nam De Ka Wa Ka De We Ba Mo La He Pen Jo De Shi Ma Ta Ke Pen Jo Che Ka Sum Ji Che La Di Ki Zo De Sa Pe Kya Che Se Di De Ye Ka Jo Jo Ke Be Zang Le Wang Le Ke Bu Shi De Be La Ju Be Jo De De Be Ze Ni Ye Ki Ta Shi Ma Bu Do Jo De Se Ma Sho Men Be Yu Le Ge Yo Che
양의 까마칙 운전하라나
1 minute of silence, please. 양의 주베이
제림 마바 유럽 지도 건다 디포르데 캠베치 나라나 디제란 제림 마바 못친 자이 Long live! Long live! Long live! Let the Dalai Lama!
Return to Tibet!
Let the Dalai Lama!
Return to Tibet!
Coronavirus!
Made in China!
Coronavirus!
Made in China!
COVID-19!
Made in China!
COVID-19!
Made in China!
COVID-19!
Made in China!
Let's make China accountable! Let's make China
killing!
In Tibet.
Stop the killing!
In Tibet.
Stop the killing!
In Tibet.
Stop the torture!
In Tibet.
Stop the torture! Stop the cultural genocide!
In Tibet.
Stop the cultural genocide!
In Tibet.
Who is the killer?
Xi Jinping.
Who is the killer?
Xi Jinping.
Who is the killer?
Xi Jinping.
Who is the murderer?
Xi Jinping.
Who is the murderer?